Axminster Tools, and I'm here with Andrew. Andrew, I must say, we've been here 20 minutes now, and it is the tidiest, cleanest workshop, and your staff members, their ethos already is so incredible. What's the secret?
Well, we treat tidiness, cleanliness part of efficiency, so why wouldn't you do it? It's really important to us.
Honestly, and it really does stand out. Now, you talk about efficiency, and we're going to be talking about your star machine. You're about to invest in another star, and you've told me about a 60% reduction in cycle to running time and 5 ops down to 1. But let's talk about this part first. What's the history on this part?
So this component's a key component to our a wood turning product which we manufacture, and we've made this for around 30 years.
Okay.
So I've been here for 35 years, I believe. Lost count actually. But we used to make this by a local farmer, used to make them in very small quantities. I used to go and pick them up on my motorbike, bring them back. We used to put them into our assembly, very small numbers in those days. So we then started to look elsewhere, and we had the product made in Poland. We had it done there for a few years, had quality issues. We then moved the product out to China. Again, quantities were growing, which is why we moved it to China, but the quality just wasn't quite there. And now we brought it right back to Axminster. We've made it here for a number of years. In many thousands. I can't actually tell you how many thousand we make, but that part is now made to a very high standard. The cost is probably less than it was back 30 years ago in reality, and that's down to the way we make it.
And so what's the way you're making it now? Because you're about to invest in a star machine. So what are all the ops that you're telling me about, and that have just gone out the window now because you're doing it all in one?
Well, it used to be milled on a milling machine, it used to go into a rumbler, it used to go into a grinding machine. Now it's going to be made in one operation on a star, and it's actually made of a round bar. So the whole concept of the way we make it is just very different.
So this was a milled product, and now you're totally transforming the way you make it to a turned product.
Correct. So if it's turned milled, I don't know the full details of how the machine actually works, but it comes off in one piece, ready to go. So the whole thing is made on the star, nothing else.
So clearly you're pleased with your stars. You've got an SR32J, we've got an SR38. What is it about stars that you're confident with investing your money into?
They just work. They're new technology. They've given us new ways of making things to a much higher standard, and they're clean and tidy. It's all enclosed. It's just a much easier process.
You're a very happy man, I'm guessing.
Yeah, very happy. Yeah.
So you're improving your cycle times, you're saving your money, you're changing the way that you're running your business. Anything else you can say?
No, other than we're pleased with the machines we've got. We have an extension being built, so we'd like to buy some more stars at some point. So, yeah.
Brilliant. Thank you, Andrew.
Okay.